Welcome back. Let's talk about steeper in Swift UI. Let's talk about steeper in Swift UI. So first of all, we're gonna create on the Swift UI view. Sorry, command N. You can set on the Swift UI view. We're gonna create on the Swift. Suppose this is a steeper example. A steeper example in Swift UI. We're gonna create on this steeper example is Swift UI view. First of all, we're gonna create on this state property. We can set change on this binding value and state change on this value state private var. Suppose we can set on this initial value and not we can set a binding value. Suppose this is our salary is equal to initial value. Suppose this is a 1 lakh. $1 lakh salary is initial value. Okay, we're gonna create on this stack and calling on this steeper which have an initializer. Suppose this increment and decrement initializer, and we can access on this value and binding initializer. We can suppose this is value and binding. Enter your salary. Enter your salary. Enter your salary, and we can bind on this our salary. Bind on this property, and we're gonna create on this bind on this property, and we're gonna create on this text your salary is equal to use of string interpolation salary. We're gonna resume on this application. So first of all we are going to discuss about what is steeper in Swift UI. A control that perform increment and decrement actions. A control that perform increment and decrement actions. Swift UI steeper controls lets user from a range we specify. So first of all we're gonna turn on this project, and this plus we can use salary 120 salary. We can not apply this increment is 1 by 1 increment. Value on this 1 by 1 increment decrement. Suppose we're gonna apply on this text properties. Suppose we're gonna apply this last title. We're gonna apply on this bold, and we're gonna apply on this color. Suppose this is a blue color, and not apply on the blue color. This is a red color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this resume this 1 2 3 4 5 this 1 by 1 increment in this salary action. We can resume on the application with 1 to 9 and 9 apply on this properties and equals 1 to 1, but not applying this largest numbers and not applies. So we can another initializers use of steeper. Suppose we're gonna check on the steeper increment and decrement. Suppose this is increment and enter your salary, and we can on increment. Suppose this salary plus equal to salary plus equal to this is a 1 lakh, and on we can use of decrement salary minus equal to 1 lakh. We will not run on this project 2 lakh 3 lakh 4 lakh 5 lakh 6 lakh and 7 lakh 8 lakh 9 lakh, and we can decrement and increment and decrement is superb usable. Your salary is 0. Your salary is 0. 1 lakh 2 lakh 3 lakh 4 lakh, and we can do 1 lakh 14 1 lakh 16 1 lakh 17. We can use of increment and decrement value on this steeper in Swift UI. So a control that perform increment and decrement action Swift UI. Increment and decrement action. A perform increment and decrement action in Swift UI is called in steepers value. We can change on this. Suppose we're gonna apply on this. Suppose which have apply on this images and not apply on this largest titles. We're gonna apply of salary. Suppose we're gonna apply on this. Okay, integer value, not integer value. We're gonna apply on the strings. Suppose we're gonna apply on this strings, not apply on this string, but to not apply. So super used in steeper in Swift UI. What is steeper? A control that perform increment and decrement actions and is called skip is increment and decrement. Suppose we're going to apply on this. Initial value suppose is 1, and increment is 1 and decrement is 1. Okay, we're going to resume on this project. Your cell equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're going to increment on this value is decrement on that. So thank you for watching the video of STEPR in SwiftUI.